Hello, welcome to this week's edition of CFISD 360, where we have some great CFISD news and sports to share. I'm Zach Abercrombie from Cougar Productions at Cypress Creek High School. Real-world applications for a Cypress Park welding student. Diane Getter was able to compete in an underwater welding competition. This unique opportunity is a great example of what CFISD CTE has to offer.
I also got to underwater weld, which is really cool because it's something I'm actually interested in. I wanted to do that as a career choice, and it was really cool to do it myself and see how it's done. And I did a MIG weld on a T. I went on one side, I went down, and the opposite side, I welded up.
The good thing about welding is that it gives every student an opportunity to excel at their own pace. They can learn at their own pace, and then they can possibly get careers afterwards.
Time now to go beyond the score with CFISD Sports.
Thanks, Zach. I'm Melanie Ulloa from Spartan Studios at Cy Lakes High School. Check out this great CFISD sports action. Years ago, the Cy-Fair Bobcats won the 6A state championship and are currently undefeated. They are led by tailback LJ Johnson.
I've been having a good season, but I want to give thanks to the O-line. I mean, I really didn't expect this. We've been working hard all summer, and they've been leading the way for me every game.
I think we've got a good football team, and we've been fortunate. Kids are doing it the right way. They're improving every week, and and that's what we preach. And we want to get to a game 11, and then we want to continue to work hard to improve to have a run. So hopefully they'll understand that and continue to work hard.
Kudos for coaches. First, the Cy Ridge Rams honored former longtime head football coach Gary Thiebaud during halftime. Also, a big congratulations to Cy Creek head football coach Greg McCaig for reaching 100 wins. Wow, that's something to cheer about. For Beyond the Score with CFISD Sports, I'm Melanie Ulloa.
That does it for this edition of CFISD 360. Thanks for joining us, and remember, there's always something to cheer about in CFISD.